Hey everyone, welcome back. Is OKX Wallet draining your iPhone's battery even when you're not using it? Here are two setting changes that stops it immediately. Takes under a minute. First, go to your settings app and then scroll down to find OKX Wallet in the app list or just search for it. Then tap on it and look for background app refresh and make sure that it is turned off. This stops OKX Wallet from constantly checking prices, transactions, and activity in the background when you're not using the app, which silently drains your battery. After turning that off, go back to the main screen, scroll down, and then tap Privacy and Security once you find it. Then click Location Services. If it's set to always, change it to while using the app immediately for the OKX Wallet app. Then, having it set to always means OKX Wallet is sending your location data in the background even when closed. After both changes, go back to the settings and then go to battery. Then scroll down to the OKX app and then confirm the usage drops on your next charge. So all you've got to do is go to settings, go to OKX wallet, turn off background app refresh, then privacy location services, change OKX wallet to while using, battery drain will be stopped, and that's it. Subscribe.